Konichiwa kimono wearers. I'm checking out more runs at NOZAWA Onsen in this vid. To kick things off, we're coming off Skyline onto the cat track Kamoshika, which will take us down to Karasawa. The cat track is listed as a red run. Karasawa is a beginner green run. Kamoshika might be listed as a red run because you need to get down some of Skyline to get to it. You got about 900 metres of this before you come out on Karasawa. Karasawa is 3 k's of cruisy beginner run. It's kinda detached from the main parts of the resort, so it is often very quiet.
Sick.
Karasawa is definitely one of the best learner slopes. Pretty much a gentle slope, pushing you down all the way.
Oh, fuck.
And that was a genuine cartwheel onto the head.
Oh, that hurt. Hey. Fuck my head. Just smack the side of my head. Oh, okay. Oh fuck. It is. It hurts. I just hit it. Ow. Fuck. I just like my side of my head just like books. Fuck. Yeah, I just ate shit. Oh.
Like I said, cruisy green run. Plenty of time to think about whether it's ramen or katsu curry for lunch. After the gentle slope so far, let's hit the red run challenge. The start from the end of Paradise is actually black and steep. It's called Schneider. It should be called Scheisse. Now we're on challenge. Check out the pizza in the background. That kid is absolutely peaking, smashing the pizza out and sphincter tighter than a frog's arsehole. challenge is about 1.2 k's top to bottom, mainly steep, but the bottom section will require you to ride a bit of speed to get through flat sections. If you're at the Hokage base, you can take a short chairlift to Kumataka, another fun little cat track which winds down to the Nagasaka base. Watch out for the speed bump, dude. Nah, he hit it. After 1.3 k's you come out at Nagasaka, a green run. Nagasaka might be the best learner slope. It's basically a series of dips and flatter sections. In the off season you can see it's actually veggie terraces, hence the dips and flatter sections slope. From top to bottom, Nagasaka is 700 metres of learner goodness. From the bottom of Karasawa you can take a chair to Kitsune, which will then take you down to the Nagasaka base. This chair is a relatively short ride, but it moves pretty slowly. This is Kitsune. It's about 600 metres of track down to Nagasaka. Anyway, that's a bit more of Nozawa. Check out my other vids to see more of the mountain. It's so much fun. So much bloody fun.
So you got 5 minutes.
As usual, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. And until next time, stay safe and wear a helmet.